Alright, we're back after the electric trade. It's kind of retracing, but I think I wanna secure the back on one of these ones. And the other one I think I wanna protect. It was a good trade. And now the current loss is $106. Um, we lost NCD Gen. Okay, let me see if I can edit this. We lost NCD Gen. Can I put it red? So, um, that's okay. We lost NCD Gen and we lost and we lost. So NCD Gen was lost. So after losing NCD Gen, then also we have Adelante AUD NCD. Gracias, Daniel. Gracias. No, no. Okay, so NCD USD was lost. Let me see. Let me just see what was lost today so far. I need the bigger screen though. Let me just see just for a second. Let's see all the positions only, and then just see the trade history. We lost NCD Gen and we also lost AUD NCD. So far, those two have hit stop loss. So that's the only two, NCD USD, NCD Gen. So far, we have lost those two trades. Those trades have hit stop loss so far. We couldn't pay more money for those things to know if those trades were going to happen. And then I decided to take partial profits on AUD Gen, AUD USD, just because of Friday, right? Anything could happen on Friday. That was 29 pips. Nice move. But I will hold that one. So far today we have lost $73. I have lost $73 and I can lose 560, no problem. Let me draw the disclaimer. We're still alive in these trades. It's 11 a.m. in Mexico City. Things could still go worse. Um, All right. So the UC might be coming back, but I think um things are good in terms of the trades that are still open that they have been hit stop loss. It's now 11:01. Can I have a? I like to have a clock, big clock. Let me see if this works. Let me see. No, Apple just does work clock just like this, right? I could have this. Let me put this just here. It looks nice. I think. I think it looks nice. I cannot put the screen smaller. Hmm. Let me just try to play with the screen here. Let's see if we can do size. One second screen, something like that. Um, Second screen monitor, right? That's how they call it. Arrange multiple displays. Let's see. Use as what happens if we click here? That's worst and that's super worst. I don't think so. The smaller one is that, I think. What if I close the a little bit so the screen changes. Alright. So New York is 12. We still have 4 hours of market, I think. So let's leave it like that for the time being. I don't know how the seconds um, thing is violet. It's pretty nice. In Canada is 12. London closed. And New Zealand starts in 2 hours. So Alright, so let me just see what's going on in terms of journal entry, right? Did you keep a journal? Did you keep your journal? Right? So today's being slow. A trade surprised me and hit stop loss within 10 minutes, so it made our progress to slow down immediately. Anyways, in respect to my system, I can safely lose today 580 USD. I like the current approach of things, even though it requires much more patience and time than taking instant profits. It makes sense to have maybe less profitable days, but the losers and winners will be more balanced, and then we should end on top after many days, like we are, right? So this was not good. This was not good, but this is nice. So today's winning, one day break even. Today's winning, today's losing. But let's see if this can be a winner. Things like that. On that note, um, so it is Friday, 12, 11 a.m. Mexico City time, which is UTC -6. So everything could still happen with strength. So nice moves could still happen, or worse moves. In any case, we are allowed and we are willing to lose 580. And let me just teach you something. I think I had discussed it before. Um, should I discuss it in this screen though? Let me see. I would like to explore the idea of teaching you in the chart. Um, right? What if I teach you something in this chart? So the thing is, I have hopes on this one. I like to see this. Right. So do you prefer to risk 1% on each trade, or risk 1% cumulative on 8 trades? That's the question, right? Let's put this in a color that makes it nicer for you. I mean, what do you prefer, right? I guess that's the question. I am risking 1% on 8 entries. I already lost 2. I already lost 2. AUD NCD and NCD JPY. So if I had lost one of these, the day would be -1%, and to lose that much that quick in a challenge, to me it doesn't make sense. So my mentality doesn't help. It doesn't help my mind to be losing as much. Today we have lost $39. We can lose. Let me get less screens. I don't want to make so much trouble with this switching so many screens for you. I just want to have the transmission and then let me close everything else. Let me just close everything else so that it's not so messy. Right? I don't want it to be so messy. This is better because we have here and we have this. This looks very nice. Okay, that's just nice to watch. I like to watch it this way. Beautiful. So the disclaimer in here, I think it makes sense to have it next to the projections and also next to the notes for the day. So I like this screen to have the worst loss that we can have in the day, to be recording which trades are lost and which trades are won. I just found the color I wanted. So yeah. So we have lost NCD, Yen, and we have lost AUD NCD. Right? What happened there? Okay. Disclaimer: the content presented in this live video is for informational and educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and the views and opinions expressed are solely my own. Any trading or investment decisions made based on the information provided are at your own risk. Please conduct your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. By watching this video, you acknowledge and agree that I am not liable for any losses or damages that may occur as a result of actions taken based on the information presented. All right. So, and then we switch really quick to here. So, what do you prefer? To raise 1% on each trade or to raise 1% on cumulative on 8 trades? I always prefer the second one. To raise the stuff. Um, so we're almost break even today. You see, $30. That's break even for the day. Mm, Interesting stuff going on. A strong hit should happen soon. It could go anywhere. Our bias is that it will go in our favor, in our direction. We will see. We can lose point what? Today we can lose 0.70%, which is $560. So 0.70% of 1%, which is $800. Well, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Um, I prefer this approach anytime. Anytime I would be preferring, I would love to risk 1% on each trade than, I prefer to risk 1% cumulative on 8 trades rather than 1% on each trade. I don't know how people can do that. I just cannot. Which was a calculator. Um, what if I do this like this, right? Uh-uh. It's just too big. But this way I like it. Okay, let's just see what I can do here. How about like this? Well, you don't need the journal there. The clock doesn't, you don't need the clock always there. Let's just try to have the screens a little bit oriented here, and then if I go like this, we can see everything we want to see. I like it. So today is a Friday. Things could get. I'm hesitant of taking profit, manual profit on AUD though. I would like to take this profit right now because AUD, well, I could have broken this and retest and then keep going up, right? But for the sake of Friday, I might just take the profit on it. I think it was a good trade, and I think no, I wanna wait to see if it wants to respect this as block, and then maybe go up. I think for the time being and being on a Friday, I think I'm gonna take the profit. Work it out with 24 pips. On, just gonna take that one. Of course, we're still at minus 56, even though we have won some nice profits. The losers have overcome the profits and the current status of the trades. Let's see. Um, so no more AUD USD trade open, right? So let's register. Let's record what we are doing, right?
Alert from calendar. EL. Maldonado Magana. B. 6,302,114 Robert.
So I took partial profits on AUD which are all the profits that we have taken today. Let's ping this. So this was a winner. Buying this and nothing else. Lost AUD NCD. We lost NCD Gen and we lost AUD NCD. So far we could say we lost these two, we won this one, and that's why it's breaking even on the result of those things, because this made us, it paid for these two. Why it is negative here is because everything else is losing right now. We are losing on all these other trades. Euro GBP moving nice. Let me just see if these trades have proper stops. You know what? Today, that is a Friday, I think I'm going to put this to 10 pips stop loss now. Because I don't want to risk more the back. And time, okay. Put stop loss hitting, stop loss right there. And let me just make sure that these ones too are proper risk. Yeah, they're okay. And this one though, how much is it to just put it here? 18. So here it's losing 11 pips, but in here it goes all the way to 18. I think. Let me just think this through. NCD is the. Oh, and NCD will open in NCD New Zealand in 1.5 hours. So I think let's see what happens, right? New Zealand is going to open strong. Might do something crazy, but I like that place, so I will have to risk that one. It's $200. It's pointing. But because NC is gonna open, but we cannot leave the trades open, so I don't think so. If it was not Friday, I think it will make sense to increase the stop loss, but today is a Friday. I don't wanna risk too much. I'm okay. Actually, how much is it? Uh, let's see how it goes, but then of course, I don't know. Let me just think it through. Yeah, I'm okay losing this trip. It was not a Friday, I will say, but since it is a Friday, take my money and let me alone. CHF keeps breaking up. Um, Kajen. See, Kajen did went down a little bit, I think. Yeah, it did for a while and then it tried. I think that could be nice. These things could go down, could still go down. Let me just get this phone call. Dígamelo, maestro, buenos días. ¿Cómo está? Bien, bien, gracias. ¿Y usted qué tal? ¿En qué le puedo servir? Boom, boom, boom. Felicidades, felicidades, Robert. Dígalo. Ok. Mm, Sí, lo tengo aquí enfrente de mí. Tengo un correo de usted. Ah, sí, ese. Ajá. Es de Martínez de 7901. De Requested Repairs. Sí, señor Sergio y Jaime. Sí. A ver. Dice aquí Addendum 3. Settlement Deadline. Marzo 4. Espéreme, es que aquí. Creo que no. ¿Sabe qué pasó? Que esta señorita Dupre Diana se equivocó de destinatario. Nosotros no tenemos ningún Aaron Flores Morales como comprador comprando su casa de 6336. Esta señorita se equivocó de recipiente al mandarnos, porque nos mandó cosas que son ajenas a nosotros. Nosotros no estamos en ninguna casa con 6336 del número de casa. Entonces, lo único que hizo la señorita Diana fue que nos respondió mal. O sea, se equivocó, quiso mandarle esto a alguien más. A nosotros lo único que queremos es que nos mande nuestro Addendum 2, donde nos van a dar $500 de reparaciones, que le urge a Yaritzi. No, está en los que, porque es el que nosotros le mandamos, pero ella no nos mandó ese, ella solo nos mandó el Addendum 3 y el Addendum. No, pero el Addendum 2 que está ahí no es el de nosotros, también es uno de una propiedad de 6336 que no es nuestra. Entonces, solo le voy a contestar desde el correo de usted que nos mandó algo equivocado que era para otra persona y que seguimos esperando que nos mande el Addendum 2, el Resolution of the Diligence 2. Eso es lo que voy a hacer, Robert. Pero todo está en orden, no se preocupe de lo de tal Uribe ni tal eso, porque eso se lo mandaba ella a alguien más y por error nos lo manda a nosotros. Sí, no. No, ya vamos a llegar al momento donde usted va a tener 25 cierres al mes que me va a decir, oye Edwin, ¿quién es el tal Uribe? Y él va a decir, sí, mire, es su primo, está comprando su casa cuarta. Pero, arre. Let me just... Sí, le escucho. Dígame. Chulada. Felicidades, Robert. Sí. Sí, no. La señorita Diana creo que andaba despertando apenas porque sí nos mandó algo que le voy a avisar porque no sea que le urja mandarlo a alguien y piense que ya lo mandó y no, se lo mandó al equivocado. Sí, le tocó meterlas de caminar, pero hay que avisarle rápido para que reivindique el curso y le mande esa cosa a quien se la tenía que mandar. Disfrute el cierre, Robert, que para eso estamos, disfrútelo, échele. Arre, gracias. All right, we're making money in all the streams, right? You cannot put every egg on the same. How do you say? Do you say? No puedes poner todos los huevos en la misma canasta, right? That's the way to say that is. Never put all its eggs into one basket, right? Never put all your eggs in the same basket. so let me just see what is going on here. Let me make sure I send the thing. Alright. Okay. And let me just see what is going on in adelante, what is going on in terms of the current situation with
Sí, que si ya te llegó el recibo del agua, dice el segundo medio.
Ah, sí, está en el carro quinto.
Pero quería hablar contigo, a ver si quería.
Por favor, dígale, estoy ocupado. Lo tengo que ver después.
Lo ves después. Ok.
Gracias.
Sigo, sí.
Alright, so we are, let me just see what things are happening. Let me see what screen is being shared. Sorry for the interruption. So I won't let people interrupt me if it's not absolutely necessary. Yes, okay. Oh, come on. So I heard the noise of something hitting stop loss, but no. This thing makes the noise whenever it wants. It's so funny. But yes, things are still in the negative, even though your GBP is going well. The NCD USD pair seems that it's not gonna go down, at least not today. And even though it was a nice trade here, I don't think should we risk 18 pips, because that's a nice stop loss. But I just thought that the price could have come back at that point. Um, so it's just it's nice that some people can need something, but I'm here. I wanna be here right now, committed, all committed. This thing is going south, and I don't think I'm gonna give it more than 10 pips. I'm okay with it going down, hitting stop loss because of Friday, right? If it was another day and we were winning big on all fronts, maybe I could accept some stop loss like that, but I think I can let it hit stop loss if it wants, and I think we're going to have to do that with all these ones. That's NCD Gen, Euro Gen. Let me just make sure that stop loss is where it's supposed to be. Yes, this one is. See, something is hit stop loss maybe. Um, we're gonna have to do that. And think this moment is good for you. Look in here, what I used to do when I was a younger trader, I used to say, oh no, I sold here, price decided to go up, but in its way to stop loss, I'm going to place more cells. because I think that I'm right. So this is what I used to do. I used to say I will sell here. Oh no, here. Sell, 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 sell. And I used to put the stop loss here. Because I was like, you know what? This thing could happen. But then you get lucky some days and then it goes down. And yes, so many trades on that direction. You made money, but you exit so fast because it's too much risk. But if it hit the stop loss, I was like, oh, I have to recover. So sell, 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 sell. And then price just boom. And the account is gone. So that's why I'm so proud of me, of, of the new me. And I usually love watching price to hit the stop loss because I'm like, nice, I'm different now. I changed. I matured. I changed. I will not be sacrificing everything for that stop loss. This one though is just no, this should of course price shouldn't do anything, right? The price can do anything about it. I just mean the most probable outcome to me is just to keep following like this. Right? That's what I would say. So that's why that high shouldn't be broken. If it breaks, that's okay too. So we have good positions, I think. Of course, losing day, but the worst thing didn't happen. Why? Because we took many profits. AUD was nice because of the new approach of having the take profits until 25 pips. This thing saves the day. This thing saves the day because that helps for two losses. This covers for two pairs that hit stop loss. So if we entered 8 pairs and we win one, that covers for those two. Then now we can only lose 6 out of the 8, and that's 80%. That's enough time is that's probably 70%, right? Let me see this really quick. Right. Say, let's see. 6 times 100 divided by 8. Yeah, 75%. So, and what did we say? We can lose 70%. That would be $560 loss. Today we could lose that, especially Friday, but not all is lost. It's not too late in New York. New York is it's almost 1 p.m., so still 2 hours of movement that could help us um, increase or win or decrease or loss. Anyway, we are just losing 0.08% right now, and we can lose 0.8. We are okay losing point 0.70 of $800. So we can lose $560, and we are just losing 74, and that's because we have taken partial profits. But things are okay the way they are. Things are fine. watching. Yeah, that hits stop loss, of course. Something hits stop loss. That is okay. That's okay. Let me see what hits stop loss. NCD USD loss. Let's go NCD USD. Just got lost. It's supposed to be red. We have lost 3 pairs now. And won just one. NCD USD lost today. That's the what? Eurogen though, yeah, Eurogen seems like it's on a break. Because if it doesn't go down right there, see, that's just, it has to go down right there. If it wants to go down, that's the moment. But if it keeps going, it's a stop loss. It's a great trade, great position because it's at a moment where it has to take a decision. And that's nice that our stop loss is kind of away from that. So that triangle has to end, right? It just cannot go somewhere else. It has to take a decision. See? You can see this triangle right there. It has to end at some point. Because if not, it will not. It just has to do something. And we are saved by 6 pips of the spread, so it's good. Should then surprise us as stop loss without expecting. Usually at that moment, price should either go down or hit our stop loss. Really losing $55, but in general terms, losing 109 because of the $100 that we just lost on the trade that was closed. That's alright. That's alright. I just want to do the preventing the screen from sleeping because if I have to leave to get the kids and then the computer sleeps, I think it's battery, right? Something like this. Lever. Battery. Yeah. Sleep, right? Isn't that how they call it? Battery. Battery health. How can I do these options? Hibernate. ¿Ya te vas? Adiós. Que te vaya bien. ¿Crees que está haciendo la bandera? Está en la bandera del piso. Muchas gracias, doña Amy. Discúlpeme, gracias. I just want to make sure this computer doesn't go to sleep. But I just don't know how to. It's Wi-Fi, notification, screen time. No. General screensaver, no. Usually those things are set in battery. Come on. Power, right? Power. Come on. How to prevent Matt from sleeping, right? How to prevent sleep on Matt. But never mind, I just remember that if I'm broadcasting live, it's because you want to see me talking, right? So whenever I have to leave, I will get off the screen and I will just come back later to show you what's going on, right? So, current position is good. Let me just do something really quick. I'm gonna make sure that what is the transmission? Here it is. Let's do that. Just bear with me for a second. Just make sure this is right. Alright. All right, I think it's looking good in terms of what the bid is doing, but I don't think we're going to have enough time for things to go our way. I don't think so. Okay, let me get another phone call. Today is the day of the phone calls. Señorita Katy, muy buenas tardes. Buenos días. Sí, todavía. Allá todavía. Dígamelo. Mira, yo conozco un amigo que se llama Jesús Santiago. No es el profesional ese que te digo porque ese no tengo el contacto. Solo sé el nombre, pero mi amigo Jesús Santiago él construye casas desde cero hasta arriba. Entonces, le voy a decir que te llame lo más pronto que él pueda, ¿va? Él pues hace alfombras, él hace pisos, viste que es el que te digo que si es alfombra y piso yo te lo tengo, pero él ahorita podría resolverlo con el famoso BIT, tal vez podría ayudarte, porque es buena gente y te voy a decir que pues tiene el potencial de que pues cada que necesites carpeta o tile le vas a decir, entonces voy a ver si él te puede llamar rápido hoy, ¿ok? ¿Cómo no? Claro que sí. Ajá. Ok. Yo ahorita mismo te los mando. Y también le voy a pedir a Jesús que si te puede hablar lo más rápido que pueda para lo de los famosos bits, ¿ok? De nada, Katy. Adiós. Bye. I think I have. Okay. Santiago. For that, I have to make a phone call. Hermano Jesús, buenos días, ¿cómo está? Hermano, le hablo de muy rapidito, pero mire, estoy trabajando con varios agentes de bienes raíces y una de ellas se llama Katy Vilches. Ella necesita un estimado para ciertas reparaciones que está pidiendo que hagan unos vendedores de una casa que estamos representando a alguien para que la compre. Entonces ella mandó un email pidiendo un dinero de crédito que le den al comprador para reparar las cosas él mismo, pero el vendedor le está pidiendo que una compañía le mande un bid, que le mande un estimado, pero por compañía, así no sé si usted mande estimados en una hoja que tiene su logo, que tiene su nombre, que tiene algo así. Ella ahorita necesita eso como un favor. No creo que ese bid sea para que ella le dé ese trabajo a usted que lo haga, pero lo importante es que si usted hace esa relación con ella, haciéndole este tipo de favor, en el futuro ella le pueda dar los trabajos de alfombra y de tile y de cosas así. Entonces yo quisiera saber si le puedo mandar el número de ella para que usted le llame y se pongan de acuerdo para ver si hay manera que usted le dé un bid para esas evaluaciones que ella está pidiendo. Y entonces yo le dije que lo conocía, pero le iba a preguntar y por eso le llamo, brother. ¿Está bien si le doy el número de Katy y si usted le puede llamar para que se pongan de acuerdo? Yo creo que sí, porque ella ya mandó el correo electrónico con los precios que suponemos, pero pues eso fue un tanteo que ella hizo con el evaluador que fue a hacer la inspección. El inspector fue, hizo la inspección y le dijo, mira, pide tanto dinero para esas cosas. Pero yo no sé si ella le va a decir a usted que le haga uno diferente o uno con esos precios. Lo único que sé es que cada que pasan cosas así, cuando caen cosas de carpet o de cosas así, ellos necesitan gente que los haga, que les ayude. Entonces, es bueno para el networking, hermano. Exacto, exacto. Sí, sí, es bueno que usted le aclare eso. Yo eso ya se lo dije a ella. Le digo, él es el campeón en pisos y en tile y en cosas que tengan que ver con flooring. Pero tal vez te haga el favor para ahorita esas cosas. Pero mire, páseme su número, brother, que lo perdí porque perdí mi celular. Por eso le hablé por Facebook. Páseme su teléfono. Ya le pasé el de Kate para que usted lo tenga cuando ella le llame y usted sepa que ella es. Y porfa, páseme el de usted para que yo se lo pase a Kate. Ajá, sí, sí, 28. Gracias, brother. Estamos en contacto. Me tengo que ir corriendo. Un abrazo. Adiós. Bye, bye. Okay. Okay, let's see how things are going. So far right now, um, somehow prices being nice, the positions are green. Too bad some took the stop loss. It will be now 500. I mean, but we have to abide by the rules, and of course, it's a winning moment. The position is in profit, right? Yes, the position is in profit. Um, but I can't believe many of these ones hit stop loss. Many of these ones were. See, even now it's getting a strong movement. Friday, we could see things to the upside for us. We are breaking even right now. Break even day, I think. I am getting almost ready to get out. Breaking even, but no, I think I'm gonna leave it open until I come back from getting the kids out of school. Just let me make sure stop losses are. See, you see that triangle that we painted there? Do you see that? It either had to hit our stop loss or take or move on our direction for a while, right? Just see that? Price has to take a decision, right? Interesting. I will leave right now to get my kids from school. I just want to make sure that everything has a stop loss for 10 pips. And then I will go back. Trading is so interesting. You have to set your rules and set your stops and hope, right, for the best. I am about to leave to get the kids from school. You see that everything's going well in the transmission. Yeah. Hello from Spain. Some people say hi in the chat, in the live chat. We're live. Respecting the system and respecting stop loss size and place. I just love this, right? Let's get this, and then also let me just show this, right? Okay. Well, that was nice. I will have to leave you guys. So I have to go get my kids from school. But the worst thing I think cannot happen anymore because everything has a stop loss of 10 pips. We took profit on one of the pairs, so we cannot lose. All positions, right? Yes. We could still lose 500 USD, which is okay. It's fine. Interestingly in profit. Well, I will stop the transmission here. I have to go back. Of course, the trade will stay open for 1, 2, or 3 more hours. Depends how things go. But I think it has been great day in terms of following the system. I think so. I do. I really think so. So, goodbye.